Narrator. Your Telegram contact list might include people you never actually added in the app. That's because Telegram can automatically sync your phone's contacts to its servers. Narrator. If you care about privacy and data control, you may want to remove those synced contacts from Telegram's servers, not just from your phone. Narrator. In this video, we'll quickly show you how to delete synced contacts and stop Telegram from syncing them in the future. Narrator. We'll start on mobile, then show you where to find the same settings on desktop. Narrator. On screen, you'll see each step clearly highlighted so you can follow along in seconds. Narrator. Let's start by deleting synced contacts from Telegram on your phone. Narrator. On mobile, open Telegram, tap Settings, then go to Privacy and Security. On-screen text. Step 1. Open Settings, Privacy and Security. Narrator. Scroll down to the Contacts section and tap Delete Synced Contacts. Confirm when prompted. On-screen text. Step 2. Delete Synced Contact. Narrator. This removes contacts Telegram stored on its servers without changing the contacts on your phone. On-screen text. Removes from Telegram, not your device. Narrator. Next, disable future syncing. Still in Privacy and Security, turn off Sync Contacts and Suggest Frequent Contacts. On-screen text. Step 3. Turn off Contact Sync. Narrator. On desktop, open Telegram, go to Settings, Privacy and Security Contacts, then click Delete Synced Contacts and disable Sync Contacts. On-screen text. Desktop, same path, same options. Narrator. You're done. Your synced contacts are deleted, and new ones won't be uploaded, giving you tighter control over your privacy on Telegram. On-screen text. Contacts cleared. Sync off. Privacy on.